In today's video, I want to talk about over delivering. This is something that women business owners tend to do. We just love to give. We love to support more and be there and, well, over give. If this is you, hear me out. There are three keys that you will take away from today's video so that you can really reset your boundaries and help your clients even more by not over giving. Number one, let's look at the practicality of this. If you are giving 100%, but your client can only receive, let's say 20 or 30%, then that is 70% that you are giving that is either just overwhelming them, and that's not serving them, but it's too much. And this is something that I see a lot, especially in the service-based industries. We have been taught you should over-deliver, give more to get more, all these concepts, but it actually can backfire. So now let's look at it from an energy standpoint. Let's say we are giving and we are really good at what we do and we know so much, right? I am constantly trying to give more to my clients, give them everything, give them the whole black belt on day one. Energetically, not only does that it's a disservice to your client, but it's a disservice to you because you're not helping them build the foundation. So I want to really flip this idea that we should always be over delivering or over giving. In this world where maybe there are places where we don't give what we say we're going to give, or we've experienced that. So maybe we're trying to make up for that. I'm not sure where it all started. I know for me, since I was a kid, I overgave everything from the shirt off my back, but it wasn't from a place of genuine, unconditional love and giving. It was from a place of trying to be worthy or trying to be appreciated or liked. And that doesn't serve us. That doesn't serve the client. It doesn't serve our business, and it doesn't serve us. So the two pieces that I talked about, the practicality of it, that your client is actually not going to be able to take in if you are over giving and over delivering and over and over and over. They are going to be drowning in things that you may think are, you're giving so much, but you're actually sabotaging their success and their progress because they don't have the vessel or the actual container to receive that and apply what it is that you're giving to them. And this is why it's so important to understand who you are as a business owner and what it is that your outcome actually is. You want to have that good, strong foundation and that great clarity and confidence that you can get that result, but we don't have to get it in a one shot or a one pill or a 30-minute episode. That is this very false paradigm that has been perpetuated and promoted in our society of the quick fix. So take this to heart and really look at, where are you overgiving? Are you overgiving in your relationship, in your, personal relationships with your children, with your family members, with your business, with your clients? Where are you overgiving? And be really clear on what this means. This does not mean that now you're going to withhold yourself or withhold your strengths and your gifts and your love. Instead, you're going to be really clear on who you are and what it is you bring to the world in a way that is healthy so that it can be received, it can be digested and processed in a healthy way by those that need your gifts and your services and your love and your support, right? This is like going in to an all-you-can-eat buffet and you wanting to go get your money's worth. So you eat every single thing and pile it on. and you're stuffing it, stuffing it, stuffing it, you're going to be bloated, sick. It is going to take you time to recover and you're going to regret it. This is exactly what happens when, as business owners, we over deliver to our clients. We don't want our clients bloated, stuffed, feeling terrible, feeling blah, not able to process any of it, not even be able to use any of the deliciousness of it. So let's look at going for quality over quantity. Let's look at really sharing our gifts in a way that are digestible, and that can really take some of the pressure off on this blanket statement of always be over delivering. There are many coaches out there who say that always be over delivering, give your best stuff. If you give your best stuff and it is not received by someone, but you feel like you've given your best stuff and no one can digest it or process it, then that has been a waste energetically for you. And at some point, you're going to feel resentful and burned out. I understand this. This is something that I know. And I think that it has really become my life's work in terms of bringing these 4 pillars and the way that I work. First, self-care, practicing radical positive self-care and habits. And the second is healing past trauma. This is often what gets us stuck and sabotaging our success and over giving. The piece around being resilient and understanding this can come very quickly and turn everything around for you if you've got this going on. The third piece is getting the right support so that you are clear and confident and aligned with your vision and your values in your business. And the next is being an empowered leader where you are building and scaling and growing in a healthy way. So book a time on my calendar at stephanajohnson.com. I look forward to supporting you. I'll see you next week.